So just a side note here, guys. I picked up these Trijicon Bright and Tough Suppressor night sights to go with the Hollow Sun 508T, right? The Hollow Sun 508T. You see it. Anyway, the front sight post, okay? This is a factory front sight screw from Glock, okay? That is the same length screw that came with the Trijicon suppressor height night sights. That's way too long. You can't even tighten it down on this faxing slide, okay? You can't even tighten it down. There's no, it's recessed in there and here, and then the you know, just like any other sight, it has that little nipple that plugs down in the slot. Anyway, that screw is way too long, so I took the one that came with the Trijicon and modified it and just cut it. I know it's not the straightest cut in the world, but it works. I just needed it shorter. And if it gives me problems, I can always grind down that nub. I just got off work, so my hands are greasy as fuck. But anyway, yeah, that's the length screw you need, not this. You gotta take that amount off right there, so it seats all the way and gets tight. Otherwise, there's all those extra threads on there. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's enough to make that shit spin on your slide. And this way it'll get tight. I'll just throw some Loctite on there and it'll be good to go. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that because, well, I don't know if it would be the same on a factory Glock side, but on this faxing, it doesn't work properly. So yeah, and this slide is perfect. The way it's machined, I'm trying to tell y'all, man, this is flawless. It feels better than OEM, man. Like the tolerances and stuff and how it feels. We use that Vism sight pusher to get this on. Otherwise, you'd be beating on this thing all day, marring the shit out of it. And if we're off, we can always push it. Looks like I'm a little far left, to be honest with you. Looks like I'm a little too far to the left. I might have to push it back right a little bit. I don't know. We'll get it all set up. That's why I took the cover plate and the hollow sun off, so I can get it dialed in. I just wanted to show you guys that you will have to adjust and modify that front sight screw. Otherwise, it'll never get tight.